How to find the standard electrode potential of copper by using hydrogen as a reference electrode, or by using standard hydrogen electrode or normal hydrogen electrode. We have a little bit idea about the reactivity series of metals, and in that series we know that hydrogen is more reactive than copper, and if any substance is more reactive, like if you talk about reactivity series, then that is having tendency to lose electron, and which is less reactive, that is having tendency to gain electrons. So here, as hydrogen is more reactive than copper, therefore we have attached hydrogen at anode side and copper at cathode side. Left hand side, there is hydrogen as a reference electrode or standard hydrogen electrode, in which hydrogen gas is passed at 1 bar or 1 atmosphere pressure, 298 Kelvin temperature. Platinum electrode is there, HCl solution at 1 molar concentration. Because oxidation of hydrogen will take place, therefore this left hand side we call it as oxidation half cell. Another side, there is copper electrode dipped in copper sulfate solution. These two solutions are connected by using a salt bridge, and because reduction of copper will take place, therefore this is called a reduction half cell. Now when we connect these two electrodes, we can find a reading in the voltmeter, that is 0.34 volt. This bulb will start glowing. It means this whole setup is behaving like an electrochemical cell, in which chemical energy is converted into electric energy. This whole apparatus is set up at standard conditions, that is at 298 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure or 1 atmosphere pressure. Now what happens at anode? Oxidation takes place. Hydrogen loses 2 electrons, changes to 2H plus ion. At cathode, reduction takes place. Copper is gaining 2 electrons, changes to Cu. Overall reaction is H2 plus Cu plus 2. It gives 2H plus and Cu. These 2 electrons cancel out. Now what is cell representation? Left hand side, there is platinum electrode. Hydrogen gas is bubbled through it. This hydrogen gas bubbled through it. Solution is of HCl, H plus ion, at 1 molar concentration. This. Then at the middle there is a salt bridge. We are showing it with 2 vertical lines. Then right hand side, there is copper sulfate at 1 molar concentration, that is Cu plus 2 ion at 1 molar concentration. Then is copper electrode, this electrode. So this is cell representation. This side is oxidation half cell and this side is reduction half cell. These are separated by two vertical lines showing short bridge. Now what is cell potential? That is cathode minus anode. Cathode is copper and cell potential, that is reading in the voltmeter, is 0.34 volt, that we have shown over here. E naught of cell, naught is for standard conditions, 0.34 volt. And then is E naught of Cu plus to Cu, and this is for hydrogen as a reference electrode, that is 0. Therefore we can find standard electron potential of copper, that is 0.34 volt. This value is positive, we put here positive sign. This positive sign indicates that the reduction potential of copper is positive, showing that copper is having more tendency to gain the electrons. Similarly, if we will find the standard reduction potential of silver, silver will also attach on right hand side because silver is less reactive than hydrogen. Then it is found to be 0.79 volt or 0.80 volt.